Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you class 6th subject English, and the book which I am going to use is Honeysuckle textbook. So today is our third chapter. Before you read, this is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and get some unexpected help. So basically, this is a humor lesson, so please pay attention. Our chapter name is Taro's Reward. Reward means one type of getting something back. Reward means gift, you can say. Taro, it's a name. So, number one, let's get started. A young woodcutter named Taro. So, what is woodcutter? Woodcutter means lakde kaatne wala. Woodcutter means lakde kaatne wala. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. What is hillside? Hillside means pahadi ilaka, where there is a hill, pahad. All day long he chopped woods in the forest. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. So here is our character, and this is Taro and his father and his mother. He worked very hard, and what work he do? He is a woodcutter. Woodcutter means, who is woodcutter? Woodcutter means a person who cut woods. Lakde kaatne wala. So he is working whole full day very hard, but he is getting very less money. This made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. One evening, when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut and strong wind began to blow, it whistled through the crank of the hut and everyone felt very cold. So one day what happened? Taro wanted to take care of his mother and father because they are very old friend and they are very poor. And one evening what happened? Taro was sitting with his parents, and their house was not a pakka house, it was a kacha house. It was made up of hut, jhopdi. Hut means jhopdi. A strong wind began to blow, it whistled through the cranks of the hut and everyone felt very cold. So hut basically, if something happens outside, very fast wind, so that wind can come inside the hut because it is very not a good thing made up of jhopdi. Suddenly Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of sake. It would warm me and do my old hurt good. So, what is the meaning of sake here? Sake, you can see here, sake, my dear student. Sake means what? Here it is written. Sake. Sake means a popular Japanese drink. Ek type ka kada, you can say, or one type of drink, you can say. Soup, you can say. Drink called sake was very expensive. This drink was very expensive. Expensive means mehenga. You can see here expensive. Expensive means very, bahut mehenga. So his father wanted to drink this sake. Why he want to drink the sake? Because it is very cold outside. So if he will drink this, he will feel warm. But it is very costly. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. Taro was asking himself, how can I earn more money? How do I get a little sake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. So He wanted to give his father that shake, but he is not having enough of money, so he decided to work more harder. Next morning, Taro jumped out of the bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. He chopped and cut, and the sun climbed. And soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. So here what Taro did, he get up early as usual. Means every day he was getting up late, like 8 o'clock, and going to the forest and cutting wood. This time what he decided to wake up early in the morning, like 5 o'clock, and he went there, started cutting woods, and cutting woods rapidly. His mouth got dry, मतलब मुंह सूख जाना, and he was feeling very warm, so he removed his jacket, and he was thinking about his father, that if he'll also get warm, so I will feel happy. And with that he began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the sake to warm the old man's bone. And why he went early? Because of his father, because he wanted to give his father that soup, so that he will feel nice. Then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. What was that sound he heard? He heard, could it be? Could it possibly be rushing water? So one time what happened? He heard some strange sound. So what was that strange sound? He was not knowing, because he was cutting wood. So he was thinking, what is this strange sound like rushing water? मतलब झरना बह रहा हो, that type of falling water. So this is the first part, and next part I'll prepare a video for you. So thank you so much.